So I'm back here after a long time. Okay, and we just do a transaction, little transaction. Okay, so just find a transaction and between live transactions. Okay, go to this website and find a transaction which is under the 0.07 BTC. Okay, because maximum transaction limit is 0.07 BTC. So let's see. Yeah, that's the transaction which is under the 0.07. Okay, it's 0.04682855. Okay, we gotta confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, so this is the wallet. Right click, go to inspect, wait for a few seconds here. Click to console. There's some warning, you just need to read that. Okay, this browser features intent for developers. If someone told you to copy paste something here, it is a scam and it will give them access to your money. So make sure you read this carefully and make sure you make a new blockchain wallet which has zero balance and it's empty. Okay, so it's my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. But yeah, after you clear everything from here and then paste your script, right click, select all, right click once again, and then copy your script, minimize that and paste the script here, press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our transaction. We just need a hash ID. We can copy from here, copy to clipboard, or we can copy from here, from 64. Okay, so yeah, paste the hash ID over here, click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yeah, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again, click OK, and yeah, everything's done. Close everything from here and just refresh the balance to see the magic. So as you can see that our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you the date. It's Sunday, 26th April 2026. Okay, I'm scrolling up and down because of the watermark that showing on the screen, the number watermark. Okay, Sunday, 26th April 2026, and this is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Let's see, let's refresh that. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Yeah, it's not confirmed yet, but it will confirm very soon. And don't be worried about this price. It's fluctuate, as you know, BTC rate is so high. So yeah, this is the channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe it for more related videos. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next one.